NCC Day is a time to reflect on a shared journey and remarkable contributions of our cadet, both past and present. The dedication, discipline and service exemplify the core values of NCC and demonstrate the collective commitment of our cadet to nation building, nation first, always and everywhere. This year, we are particularly proud to highlight our role in Viksit Bharat campaign, a vital initiative of Government of India aimed at nurturing and channelizing the energy of our youth for constructive and impactful endeavors toward a Viksit Bharat by 2047. The cadets are dedicated and leave no stone unturned in their contribution towards social awareness campaigns, community development programs, environmental protection, sports and adventure. As we celebrate today, let us remember the core values that define NCC: service, discipline and leadership. We will continue to strive towards excellence and uphold the highest standards of unity and discipline, our motto. Together, we can forge a path of progress and prosperity, ensuring that our nation remains strong, resilient and steady on the path of Viksit Bharat.